Today we're solving two-step equations. We are going to use inverse operation to balance the equation. And our goal is to isolate the variable, so we're finding for b. 4b plus 6 equals 154. I drew my line to show that I am balancing the equation, just like you would balance a scale. 4b means 4 times b. So 4 times b plus 6 equals 154. First thing I'm getting rid of is the plus 6. So the inverse of addition is subtraction. Subtract 6 on one side, subtract 6 on the other side. 6 minus 6 is 0, so I'm left with 4b equals 154 minus 6. I can't take away 6 from 4, I have to borrow. 5 becomes 4, and the 1 that I borrowed from 5 is going to turn that 4 into a 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 4 minus nothing is 4. 1 minus nothing is 1. 4b equals 148. So now I want to get rid of the 4 next to the b. 4b again is 4 times b. The inverse of multiplication is division. I'm going to divide by 4 on this side. I'm going to divide by 4 on the other side. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So I'm left with b equals 148 divided by 4 to get what b equals. So now we're finding 148 divided by 4. 4 goes into 14 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring down the 8. 4 goes into 28 7 times. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 minus 28 is 0. So b equals 37. Now I want to check my work, so I am going to substitute 37 for b. So I'm literally now going to just multiply 4 times 37 plus 6 equals 154. Now let's see if it's correct. 4 times 37. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. That's 148 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 plus that 1 is 5. And then 1 plus nothing is 1. So my answer is correct. Let's try another problem. M divided by 12 minus 18 equals 29. So I'm going to get rid of 18 first, because again, I want to isolate my variable m, meaning I want m by itself. Subtract 18, the inverse is plus 18. What I do to one side, I do to the other side. Negative 18 plus 18 is 0. So that leaves me with m divided by 12 equals 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So equals 47. Now I need to get rid of the divide by 12. So the inverse of division is multiplication times 12. So literally this is saying 12 divided by 12, which is 1. And then I'm going to multiply 47 by 12. So 12 divided by 12 is 1. So literally I'm left with m equals, was 47 divided by 12. 12 times 7 is 84. 12 times 4 is 48. 48 plus 8. 48 plus 2 is 50 plus 6 is 56. M equals 56. Let's see if we're right. I'm going to substitute the variable. I'm going to substitute 564 for m. M equals 564, not 56. So 564 divided by 12 minus 18 equals 29. Let's see if we're right. 564 divided by 12. 12, 4 is 48. Subtract. 60 minus 8 is 8. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down the 4. 12 times 7 is 84. So that gives me 47. So 47 minus 18. So let's subtract 18 from 47. That becomes a 3. That becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 3 minus 1 is 2. This matches what I have in my answer, so I know that my answer is correct. M equals 564.